welcome to Addie's Learning Zone. In this video, we are going to see a quick revision of articles. What are the articles? A, and, the, or the. Let's see the types of articles. We have two types of articles. One is definite article and the second one is indefinite articles. Definite article is used before the specified or unique vocabularies or word. Specified or unique vocabularies. It means a special vocabularies. Indefinite articles are used before the general vocabularies or general words. General vocabularies or general words. And definite article is the. Definite article is the. It means one and only. It means one and only. And the definite article the can be used before the words which starts with the consonant letter or the vowel letter. Consonant letter or the vowel letter. And it can be, the phonic sound can be either vowel letter or consonant letter, any of that, but we use it only before the specified or unique vocabularies. Example, the strawberry. Example, the strawberry. We go to fruit market and we see at the seller there will be a different types of fruits, and today we would like to buy only one of them. And what do? We do watch all the fruits and we specify the fruit which we want. Example, the strawberry. The strawberry. Why we are using the before the strawberry? Because there are many fruits and we are selecting only one out of them. That's an example of the article the or the. Let's see indefinite articles, which also we can call as a general articles. We have two types of general articles. One is a, one is a, and the other one is an. An. A is used before the words or vocabularies which starts with the consonant letters. With the consonant letters. Please do comment how many consonant letters are there. And if you doesn't know about it, please do watch our previous videos. Example, A, bag. B is a consonant letter. So, we are writing A, bag. It means one bag. And the other one is an. An, an. An is used before the vocabulary or word which starts with the vowel letter. Which starts with the vowel letter. Example, an egg. E is a vowel letter. So we are writing the article of an. Let's see the rules of article. Article A. Article A is used before the vocabularies or words which starts with the consonant letters. How many consonant letters are there? Please do comment, and if you doesn't know, and please watch our previous videos which is on the types of letters. Now let's see the rules of A. What I said first one, the vocabulary or word should start with the consonant letter, and second one, the vocabulary phonic sound should also start with the consonant. Phonic sound should also start with the consonant. Let's see example. A, bag. B, bag means B is a phonic sound and B is a phonic sound of consonant. A, university. The vocabulary started with a U, which is a vowel letter, but the phonic sound of U is A. But when we are pronouncing university, we are utilizing ya. It means ya, u. So that's the reason we are going to write according to the phonics sound. We are going to write it as a university. Now another rule, if you are going to specify about nationality or a religion, you can simply write the article a before those vocabularies. Example, a Hindu, a European. Rules of article an. The vocabulary that should starts with the vowel letter. The vocabulary or word should start with the vowel letter. And the another rule, the phonic sound of the vocabulary should be with the vowel sound. With the vowel sound. Example, an egg. Egg is a vowel letter. That's the reason we write it as an egg. But sometimes some vocabularies, even though they start with a consonant, the pronunciation starts with the vowel sounds. Such a kind of words we can write by using article an. Example, an honor. It's not a honor, it's actually honor. Even though it starts with a consonant, but the phonic sound starts with the second letter, which is o, honor. The phonics of o is o. It is a vowel sound. That's the reason we write as an honor. An honor. Rules of article the or the. It is very simple to understand the rules of the articles the or the, because it is only used before the specification or unique vocabularies. Either it can start with the consonant letters or vowel letters, and also either it can start the phonic sound of vowel sound or the consonant sound. We have to just see either it is special or unique or not. That's it. We can use the before the vocabularies. Example, the sun. We have one and only sun in the universe. And the east. We have the direction east, which is only one. Either it might be in a cities, we say east, west and all, or when it comes to according to the state, we say east side and all. But the direction of east is one and only. That is the reason we say it as a the east. The cat. We have a many cats. But when we are specifying about one and only cat, we do say it as a the cat. Now, when to use the or the? We need to use the before the words which starts with the consonant letters, and the we need to use before the words which starts with the vowel sounds. I hope you understand the articles. Please do watch, share and subscribe for more videos in upcoming. Thank you.